Hello and welcome to the English Listening Lab. My name is Johan. I am very happy to be here with you today. Today is a beautiful day to learn English. Before we start our important lesson, I have a small request for you. Please subscribe to the English Listening Lab channel right now. Click the red button. This helps us make more great videos for you. Thank you for your support. Today, we are going to talk about a wonderful topic. We are going to talk about practicing gratitude every day. Gratitude means saying thank you. It means feeling happy for what you have. It is a very powerful habit. Let us begin our listening practice. When you wake up in the morning, you can practice gratitude. Open your eyes and look around your room. You are safe in your bed. The bed is warm and comfortable. This is the first thing to be thankful for. Say to yourself, "Thank you for this bed. Thank you for a good night of sleep." Many people in the world are tired, but you are rested. Look at the window. Do you see the sun? The sun brings light and heat. It is a new day. A new day is a special gift. You have time today to do many things. You can learn, you can eat, you can walk. Start your morning with a smile. Say thank you for the new morning. This makes your day start in a very positive way. Next, think about your body. Your body is amazing. It works all day for you. Stand up and feel your legs. Your legs help you walk. They help you run and jump. Say thank you to your legs. Take a deep breath. Feel the air go into your lungs. Breathing keeps you alive. You do not have to think about it. Your body just does it. This is magic. Put your hand on your chest. Can you feel your heart? Your heart beats every second. It pumps blood to your whole body. It is a strong engine. Be grateful for your health. Even if you feel a little tired, your body is still working. Practicing gratitude for your health makes you feel stronger and better. Now, let us talk about water. Water is very important for life. Go to the kitchen and drink a glass of water. The water is cool and fresh. It tastes very good. Imagine life without water. It would be very hard. But you have water in your home. You can turn on the tap and water comes out. This is a luxury. Many people must walk far to get water. You are very lucky. When you drink, feel the water in your mouth. Say thank you for this clean water. It helps your body work. It helps you think clearly. Every time you drink water today, think about gratitude. It is a small thing, but it is a very big blessing. Food is another big reason to be grateful. Think about your breakfast. Maybe you eat eggs, or bread, or fruit. Someone grew this food. A farmer worked hard in the field. A driver brought the food to the store. You bought the food. Now it is on your plate. Look at the colors of your food. Smell the good smell. Food gives you energy. It helps you grow. It stops you from being hungry. Before you eat, take one moment. Say thank you for this meal. Enjoy every bite. When you practice gratitude for food, the food tastes better. It is not just eating, it is a celebration of life. Be thankful for every meal you have today. We must also practice gratitude for the people in our lives. Think about your family. Do you have a mother or a father? Do you have brothers or sisters? Maybe you have a husband, a wife, or children. These people love you. They care about you. Sometimes families argue, but love is important. Think about a friend. A friend listens to you. A friend laughs with you. Call your friend today. Send a message to your family. Say thank you for being in my life. Being alone is hard. Having people is a gift. Gratitude improves your relationships. It makes people feel good. When you say thank you, they smile. You smile too. It connects us all together. Look at the nature outside your home. Nature is beautiful and free. Look at the trees. Trees are big and strong. They give us oxygen. They give shade when it is hot. Look at the sky. Is it blue? Is it gray with clouds? Both are beautiful. Look at the small birds. Listen to them sing. They sing a happy song. Look at the flowers. Flowers have many colors. They are red, yellow, and purple. Nature is a painting. You can look at it every day. You do not have to pay money to see the sky. It is free for everyone. Practice gratitude for the beauty of the earth. It brings peace to your mind. It makes you feel calm. We can also be grateful for our home. Your home protects you. It has a roof. It keeps the rain out. It keeps the wind out. In the winter, your home is warm. In the summer, it is cool. You have a place to put your things. You have a place to sit and relax. Look at your chair. Look at your table. These things make life easy. Imagine sleeping outside in the cold. It would be terrible. But you have walls and a door. You have a key. You are safe inside. Every time you walk through your door, say thank you. Thank you, home, for keeping me safe. This changes how you feel about your house. Think about the clothes you wear. You are wearing a shirt. You are wearing pants or a dress. Maybe you have shoes on your feet. Clothes keep you warm. They protect your skin. They make you look good. You have different clothes for different days. You have clothes for work. You have clothes for sleeping. Look at the fabric. Is it soft? Is it comfortable? Someone made these clothes. Someone sewed the fabric. Be grateful for your clothing. It is a basic need. but it is very important. When you get dressed in the morning, say thank you. Thank you for these shoes. They help me walk on the ground without pain. Education and learning are great gifts. You are listening to this podcast. This means you want to learn. You have a brain that can learn new things. You can understand English. This is wonderful. Be grateful for your mind. Be grateful for books. Books have many stories and facts. Be grateful for the internet. The internet connects you to the world. It helps you find this lesson. Learning opens doors for you. It helps you get a better job. It helps you travel. Never stop learning, and always say thank you for the chance to learn. Many people cannot go to school. You are learning right now. This is a very special privilege. We can even be grateful for problems. This sounds strange, but it is true. Difficult times teach us lessons. Maybe you had a bad day, but you survived. You are stronger now. Maybe you made a mistake, but you learned from the mistake. You will not do it again. Problems make us grow. They are like exercise for the mind. If life is always easy, we do not learn. So when you have a problem, try to find the good part. Ask yourself, what can I learn here? Say thank you for the lesson. This is a very advanced way to practice gratitude. It turns a bad thing into a good thing. It makes you very strong. Think about modern technology. We have electricity. We push a button and the light turns on. We have refrigerators to keep food cold. We have washing machines to clean clothes. We have phones to talk to people far away. These machines save us time. In the past, people worked very hard just to live. They washed clothes by hand. They used candles for light. We have an easy life because of technology. Do not take it for granted. When you use your phone, say thank you. When you turn on the light, say thank you. It is amazing that we have these tools. They give us more time to enjoy our lives. Practice gratitude for your senses. You have 5 senses. You can see with your eyes. You can hear with your ears. You can smell with your nose. You can taste with your tongue. You can touch with your skin. These senses let you experience the world. Close your eyes and listen. What do you hear? Maybe a car, or a bird, or the wind. Open your eyes and look. What do you see? Colors and shapes. Eat something and taste it. Is it sweet? Is it salty? Your senses make life rich. Without them, the world would be empty. Be thankful for every sound and every sight. They are gifts to you. Let us think about small moments of joy. Maybe you saw a dog playing. Maybe a baby smiled at you. Maybe you drank a perfect cup of coffee. These are small things, but they are happy things. Life is made of small moments. Do not wait for a big holiday to be happy. Be happy now with the small things. Notice the little details. A nice cloud in the sky, a song on the radio, a comfortable chair. Collect these moments like treasures. Put them in your heart. Say thank you for the little joys. They happen every day. You just have to look for them. They are everywhere around you. Practicing gratitude changes your brain. When you are thankful, you cannot be angry. You cannot be sad and grateful at the same time. Gratitude pushes away fear. It pushes away stress. It is like medicine for your mind. Scientists say that grateful people sleep better. They are healthier. They are happier. It is a simple habit, but the results are huge. You don't need money to do it. You don't need special equipment. You only need your mind. You can do it anywhere. You can do it on the bus. You can do it at work. You can do it in the shower. Choose to be happy today. Finally, let us make a plan. Let us promise to practice gratitude every day. Maybe you can write in a journal. Every night, write down 3 things. Write 3 things that made you happy. Or say them out loud before you sleep. Make it a routine, like brushing your teeth. Do it every single day. At first, it might be hard to remember, but soon it will be easy. You will start to see the world differently. You will see good things everywhere. You will be a light for other people. Start today. Start right now. Thank you for listening. Thank you for trying. You are doing a great job. Thank you for listening to this long episode about gratitude. We talked about many things. We talked about morning gratitude and food. We talked about nature and people. We talked about health and home. The most important thing is to say thank you. Say it often. Feel it in your heart. It will make your life beautiful. I am very grateful for you. You are a great student. Please remember to subscribe to the English Listening Lab. Click the subscribe button now. Share this video with a friend. Let us learn together. Have a wonderful and grateful day. Goodbye.